Hey everybody, take a look at this video here. This is a time-lapse video that we took earlier when it started off as rain about 1 o'clock. Some light snow mixed in with some ice pellets. Boom, within an hour it changed over to an all-snow event. And look at it coming down. We've been dealing with this for about 3 hours now. And we're starting to see these accumulations outside. But look at these temperatures. When it was raining, it was 36 degrees. We're now down to 32, and it got colder higher first, and that's why it changed over. But now down here on the surface, we're getting our temperatures to drop into the 30s as well. 32 in Linton, 32 in Terre Haute, it's 29 in Casey. Snow began here first and it's all moving off to the east. We have a winter weather advisory in effect for pretty much everybody watching us now. You get out here into Cumberland and Crawford and Jasper counties, less of an event for you guys. I mean, you're going to get a ½ inch to an inch of snow. It's going to be cold. The winds are going to be blowing. You're going to have slick spots, but you need to get those snowfall totals a little bit higher. Visibilities need to be cut down a little bit more to get into this advisory category. So that's kind of the technical stuff there. Indianapolis, same way. They're in a darker purple. What that is, and we'll just click on one of these counties here, and that's going to be Johnson County. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's a winter weather advisory, and that's a little bit different than what we've got as far as what we're dealing with right now. So let's run through the big picture here as far as the radar moving through to the east. You can see it starting to let up a little bit back out here to the west, but there's more to the north that's going to slowly kind of move back in. Our heaviest snow has essentially already happened. The heaviest snow that's falling, it's a wet, heavy snow. That's already happened for us. And you can see from Bloomington back up to about Greencastle, that's where the thick snow bands are now to the east. More snow is expected that way as a result, and that's where I've kind of broke this down. So find your county, find your city. We've got Robinson here and down here into Crawford County, Terre Haute here, and Vigo County, Rockville up here in Park County. And these colors are going to designate who sees what amounts of snow. 3 to 5 inches is expected around Marion County, and with more to the north and to the east. A narrow 2 to 4 inch band. And that's what we're finding here in Terre Haute now. Close to 2 inches is what we're going to find. But you get up here into Park County, you get over here closer to Putnam County, you're going to have isolated areas of 3 and 4 inches mixed in with that. Far less than that down here to the south and to the west. I'll take those amounts out again so you can find your city just to kind of see where we are and where you fit in with this whole system. But let's widen out here and let me show you a futurecast. Futurecast still has this a snow event for us at 8 p.m. tonight. Still keep some snow around at about midnight before this system really looks to move out of here. So as far as damage from the snow and accumulating amounts on the ground, we're going to be done with that here in just a few hours, but it's still going to be slick because the temperatures get cold. We drop into the mid-20s. Clouds start to disperse a little bit tomorrow, but it's going to be slick tonight. It's going to be slick tomorrow morning, and if you've got travel plans east near Indianapolis, up near Fort Wayne, Cincinnati, Louisville, that's where you're going to find conditions a little bit worse, I should say, for tomorrow, or tonight rather. Mid-30s tomorrow. So it stays cold, a raw, cold day. Winds out of the northwest, but the sun's coming out late in the day. Those clouds will break up a little bit, and it's going to look a little better than today for sure. Mid-20s out there. Tomorrow, or Thursday morning rather, with winds still out of the northwest. But this is where we change gears. Winds are going to change in the afternoon, and what we find is that temperatures do climb into the upper 30s, but overall, we warm up for Friday, we warm up for Saturday, and we've actually got some sunshine moving in for the second half of the week. I'll leave you with one last look here at the big picture. See how there's still more up here that's going to slowly kind of wrap back around? So while we've had some heavy snow for a couple of hours, we're going to see it let up a little bit, but more is still to follow, and that's what we're going to keep our eyes on. New slick spots for everybody. 26 tonight. Scattered snow showers going to be out there with some cold northwest winds. Becoming partly cloudy tomorrow. We'll leave a little light snow in the morning, otherwise 36 degrees with those cold northwest winds. 24 partly cloudy and cold, that's tomorrow night, and there's that 7-day forecast. We stay in the 30s through Thursday, but a quick jump to 48 on Friday. Susie, that's what you were talking about, and hopefully you at home are looking forward to these numbers as well. 54 Saturday, 57 on Sunday. It is going to be a nice weekend temperature-wise, but we've got to get through some slick spots now. And I've said this many, many times over the years. We can get some decent snowfalls in March, and the good news with them, they don't last too long.